Pro Controller 3 with me. Packaging is solid. Here it says reveal your skills. On the bottom, basic. On the left side, basic. On the back side, it shows about controller. On the button placements. On the right side, it shows you can customize your controller at the Nacon.com, nacongaming.com. You have to download an application so you can change the sensitivity, and you have unlimited options to customize your controller. And let's open this one, shall we? Basic paperwork and stickers. Who uses stickers? Ooh la la. Let's put this one to a side now. It's a solid case, by the way. Ooh, I can't get my hands off these. Sweet. Okay, let's check the other contents. Oh, it's nothing. Okay, we're done here. Okay, so let's open this one. Sweet, smooth. Wow. First impressions, wow. This controller is really, really good. It has got the Xbox layout. Obviously, it would be a little different for DualShock controller players to switch to this one. And what do we have in this one? Okay. I've struggled a little. Okay, we have the weights in this one. We can add weights to the controller. It's basically for players who like heavy controllers. You can add more weight to it. If you want a controller which is a light in weight, you can add less weight or no weight at all. Okay, let's put all of these inside. We're done with the case. Now we'll go on the controller. Oh my god, look at this thing. This feels good. This looks amazing. A quick overview. Oh my god. These buttons are actually really nice. Really, really nice. You can feel it. Feel the tension. Sweet. On the back side, it shows 3 profiles. One is the PS4, one is the PS4 Advanced, and the other is the PC. And the 4 additional buttons, you can remap them to your liking. They can add advantage to your multiplayer games. Okay, so let's put this thing down and talk about the controller. Okay, obviously this is an Xbox layout, and it would be a little difficult for casual gamers who play on a DualShock 4 to switch on this one. I think this joystick is for those who really wanna take their game to the next level. Like if you play multiplayer games like Fortnite and Warzone, you can buy this controller because it has the 4 additional buttons. In case you don't have to move your thumbs all the time, you can use your pinky and your ring finger. They can do the job for you, like jumping and switching to weapons and that stuff. But mostly it's a cheaper alternative to scuf as well. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.